This 2017 Forest River V12RBST is a pop-up RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. This used Forest River is 12 feet 0 inches in length and features a brown interior, sleeps 4, stovetop burner, LP detector, air conditioning, refrigerator, smoke detector, microwave, spare tire kit, skylight, leveling jacks, water heater, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this pop-up features front dinette, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Forest River V12RBST is 2,165 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Highway Trailer Sales, visit RVUSA.com.